Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. I'm going to show you today how to make a crepe rosette using needle and thread. So pretty much what I'm going to use is streamer, and you're going to cut that 18 inches long. You're going to fold it down in half. Then you're going to take your needle and thread and you're going to run a straight stitch through that. Okay, as easy as that. This is quick, easy. You could make several of this in no time. So once you use your thread, you want to have it double and just tie the knot to the end of the thread. You're going to start creating that straight stitch to the folded half. And when you fold it in half, you have a smaller rosette. You could do this without folding it in half. So once you reach to the end, you're going to pull your needle out, snip off that thread, and then you're going to go ahead and pull it nice and tight. And as tight so the centerpiece would come together and you could barely see that hole in the center. And I haven't had any of these break on me as yet. So you give it a nice tug, really nice and tight. And I just put a couple, like 3 knots in between that. Then once you get your 3 knots, you're going to arrange those pleats and folds so the 2 edges would line up. And if you want, you could glue together the last 2 pleats. And this is, I like the needle and thread. It's so much easier to me than using a staple and manually folding it, and you get nice, tight, defined pleats. I hope you guys got creative value from today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.